everyone. I'm making something really quick, and this is going to last me a couple days. I have some cremini mushrooms, I have tomatoes, I have bell peppers, onions, I have what's on the bottom is my chicken breast. So I have some chicken breast, there you have it, on the bottom. Seasoned it with salt and pepper, a little extra, you know, some wine. You can get a little bit of wine and put it in there. I cook with wine, a little bit of salt, just a little bit, just a little bit, okay, of salt, and some pepper, and this is some Cajun spice that I have, and some 21 seasonings, and what else did I put in there? And that's about it. If you want to put some oregano, you can. I might put in some oregano. I think so, because I just think it just tastes better. So I'm going to put a little bit of oregano in there. And the liquids from the, and I did saute it in some grapeseed oil. And the liquids from the tomatoes are what's going to give it a nice little flavor. Okay, so we're going to let that cook. You want to make sure it cooks up really well. You don't want to get any salmonella or any of that other stuff in there that's not so good. Then I'm going to add a little bit of cumin, and that's going to give it that nice, I love using spices in my foods. And this is a nice, like, fajita. If you want to put that in a tortilla, or if you want to just serve it. If you're watching your weight, I would serve it with some spinach, some fresh spinach. Or I would serve it with brown rice. That's my phone ringing. And I'd probably do some sliced apples on the side. Sliced apples is good. Okay, so I thought I'd show you that real quick, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, I gotta get that. All right, bye.